Hi, this is Sylheti Money here with another update on electric vehicle, specifically CCIV. Now, this is a follow-up video, so I strongly suggest you watch my previous video on CCIV and Lucid Motors to get a better understanding of what I'm going to say here. Now, same goes for the other two EV company I'm going to talk about. You need to watch my previous EV videos to understand this. So I'm just going to quickly summarize, give you an update what happened since I made my last video. Now with CCIV, as you can see, we are in a correction mode, and we had the first bottom here, went up and went down. This is the second bottom or double bottom. So if you manage to bought around over 21-ish dollar, then in my opinion, from the chart perspective, this looks like a double bottom and is a strong indication that when something goes down twice or W shape, on this second drop it usually goes up. Now again, I'm not a chartist or anything, it's just general knowledge of the chart. So if you're a chartist, if you're an expert, please comment down below. Now we had that massive drop from $64. The reason is obviously the Lucid production has been delayed to second half of this year, which is disappointing, but from a quality perspective is actually good that you delay something rather than rush something, then you get a negative marketing. So the combination of this along with short sellers, that's increased a lot, the institutional short sellers. Now with these two effect, plus there was a EV battery that caught fire in Japan somewhere, so all those negative news drag the share price down, with obviously the whole tech sector getting sold off. So overall, nothing's changed in terms of the long-term vision of this company. Now if you read the news, I don't want to link it here because it's going to make the video too long. Lucid Air is taking reservations for the Lucid Air, so the deposit is 7,500, and so far they pre-sold something like 7,500 to about 8,000 cars. So if they were to deliver on that promise, the revenue the Lucid will get is roughly $700 million, which is a big number, just to give you an idea. Again, fact checked everything because I don't want to link it here, it's just going to make the video too long and I don't want to bore you, but please do your research. Now I am a long-term believer of Churchill or CCIV or Lucid Air or Lucid Motors in general. The company itself is actually great, and they've hired a lot of new people for leadership role, and quite a few of them actually came from Apple. So again, this is just my opinion, but I believe in the near future they might do something with Apple, because a lot of the new people came from Apple background. So again, do your research on that, and also have a look at the video that Lucid Motors gave on Peter Rawlinson driving their car. Have a look at that, it's very interesting. I don't want to add it here because it's going to make too long. So again, on Lucid, I'm a big believer, and I believe at these low prices it's a strong buy in my opinion. Again, I am not a financial advisor, I do not give advice, I don't intend to. This is just my opinion, so you should always do your own research. Now alongside with Lucid, there are actually few more EV companies that are actually doing really great, and one of them is XPENG or XPENG. Is in China. It's number 2 in China. First one is obviously NIO, NIO is number 1. Number 2 is XPENG or XPENG. The code or the ticker symbol is XPEV. Now again, they are in the correction mode. They went as high as $75. Right now is $32.50. Again, so we had that massive correction from 74 to 32. So now again, it's a good entry point in my opinion. Now again, if you look at their website and do your research, they are quite big on autonomous driving, and they're spending a lot of money on R&D to develop driverless cars, basically with LiDAR technology and various other sensors. Again, I strongly recommend you do the research, but from my view, I think this is a genuine competitor to NIO. And again, I've checked the review, the Chinese review or car review, and a lot of them actually saying it's actually a very good and high quality car. Again, we don't have access to XPENG cars here in the UK, but you just have to do the research and believe what the presenters say. But in my opinion, I think they have a beautiful car, they have really good technology, and they're gonna do really well in the long run. So it's called XPENG. The ticker symbol is XPEV. The 52-week low was $17. The highest they went was 74. Right now is 32. So the good thing is we had that correction, and we are still in that correction mode. So really good entry point in my opinion. So you decide. I am not a financial advisor. Now number 3 in China. The first one is NIO, second one is XPENG, number 3 is Li Auto. Now same here, they went as high as $47, they went as low as 14. Now we are kind of in the middle, so we had that correction. Again, they're spending a lot of money in the R&D segment, and again, from the review, this is actually very, I would say, in the lower end of the premium market. Very affordable cars, and it's mass market. Now again, compared to NIO, they're quite small, so they are just $21 billion. So if you believe in the EV industry, and if you think they're gonna shine and do well in the future, so these 3 companies, I think they're gonna do very well. Obviously NIO's in there, but I haven't added it on this video. I've made a separate video on NIO. So these 2, XPENG and Li, these are the ones that I've just added. I think they're gonna do great in the long run. Now share your thoughts with me, whether you believe what I say or disagree. I'd love to hear your comment, so comment down below. And just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I just do this for my own entertainment purposes, and this is just my opinion I'm just sharing with you, so do not take anything I say as financial advice. So that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Do share, like, comment, and feel free to subscribe. And to all those new subscribers, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.